morning everyone. For today's STEM class I have made my 3 aeroplanes, and my 3 aeroplanes name is, this is Buck 4, and this is Octane 12, and this is Octane 8, and this is Orlando 12. Now I am going to first leave the Buck 4. It has gone up to there, and now I am going to leave the Octane 8. I am going to try again. And it has gone up to that. And now I am going to leave the... And now I am going... The Octane. Now I am going... And now I am going to leave it. It has gone up to that, and these are my 3 planes, and how much it has gone. This is Buck 4, and this is Octane 8, and this is Orlando 12. And these are the 3 paper aeroplanes I made. Thank you.